Good morning, students. This is Chandravati. Welcome to the Organic Reaction Mechanism class. In this class, you are learning about some named reactions in aliphatic nucleophilic substitution. They are esterification with DCC, Mayer synthesis of aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids, von Braun reaction, and Masnow reaction. The first one is esterification of carboxylic acids. Esterification is a well-known reaction. When carboxylic acids are treated with alcohols in presence of acid, they form carboxylic esters by the loss of one molecule of water. Here, DCC is used as dehydrating agent. This reaction specialty is generally we can prepare carboxylic esters from primary and secondary alcohols, but esters from tertiary alcohols is difficult. By using DCC, we can prepare esters from tertiary alcohols also. When carboxylic acids are treated with alcohols in presence of H plus ions and DCC, dicyclohexyl dicarboamide forms an ester and a water molecule. Here DCC acts as dehydrating agent. This mechanism consists of 4 steps. In the first step, the nitrogen from DCC donates a pair of electrons to the hydrogen in carboxylic acid and abstracts this hydrogen and forms a carboxylate anion and a nitronium ion. In the second step, the nitronium ion, nitrogen with positive charge, gains the pi electrons from carbon to neutralize its positive charge. As a result, the carbon gets electron deficiency. Then the carboxylate anion donates a pair of electrons to this carbon and forms OSL urea. In the third step, again another nitrogen in OSL urea gains H plus ion from acid and forms a nitronium ion. To neutralize this positive charge on nitrogen atom, the nitrogen gets pi electrons from carbon and forms a acyl carbonium ion. This acyl carbonium ion gain a pair of electrons from oxygen in the alcohol and forms a bond with alcohol. As a result, oxonium ion is formed. Further, this oxonium ion forms carboxylic ester by the loss of H plus ion. Evidence for this mechanism is when we prepare OSL urea similar to A is when catalyzed by acid then reacted with alcohol to give esters. And the second evidence, however, there is a limitation to use DCC because the yields are variable and N-acetyl urea formed as a side product. So this is about esterification of carboxylic acids in presence of DCC. The next one is Mayer synthesis. Mayer synthesis is one of the important syntheses for the preparation of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids in high amounts. First one is synthesis of aldehydes. In the Mayer synthesis, the aldehydes are prepared from dihydro-1,3-oxygen derivatives. Dihydro-1,3-oxygen derivatives. This is 1,3-oxygen. 1,3-oxygen. If the double bond in this oxygen is reduced, then it is known as dihydro-1,3-oxygen. So this is dihydro-1,3-oxygen derivative. When this derivative is treated with butyl lithium, the butyl anion acts as base and extracts a acidic hydrogen from this molecule. Here, this is the more acidic hydrogen in this molecule because this carbon atom is attached between two more electronegative atoms. So the hydrogen on this carbon is more acidic. So it loses a H plus ion to butyl anion and forms a carbanion. This carbanion is an ambident nucleophile. So to create a regioselectivity in this carbanion, we are using alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides. When this carbanion is treated with alkyl iodide, the alkyl carbonium ion forms a bond with this anionic carbon, which on further reaction with sodium borohydride, which is a reducing agent, this reduces the double bond between carbon and nitrogen, which on further hydrolysis forms a aldehyde. By using Mayer synthesis, we can prepare a aldehyde from alkyl halide containing two more carbon atoms. Here A is equal to hydrogen phenyl group or ester group, and R is equal to primary or secondary alkyl groups or allyl benzyl groups. By using Mayer synthesis, we can prepare ketones also. The starting material is dihydro-1,3-oxygen derivative, which on treatment with methyl iodide forms iminium ion, which can treated with a Grignard reagent or organolithium compounds followed by hydrolysis forms ketones. So when we treated the 1,3-oxygen derivative with methyl iodide, the nitrogen atom in oxygen derivative forms a bond with methyl group and converted into a quaternary ammonium salt. To neutralize this positive charge, it gains the pi electrons between carbon and nitrogen and converted to carbonium ion. This carbonium ion reacts with Grignard reagent and forms a bond with alkyl group from Grignard reagent, which on hydrolysis forms a ketone. Here R dash can be alkyl group, that means primary, secondary, tertiary, allyl, benzyl, vinyl, aryl group. So there is no limitation for R dash. whatever the group, alkyl group from Grignard reagent, it reacts with the carbonium ion from oxygen derivative and forms corresponding ketone. Mayer synthesis of carboxylic acids. We can prepare carboxylic acids by using Mayer synthesis. The starting material is 1,3-oxazolene derivative. 1,3-oxazolene derivative. When this oxazolene derivative is treated with butyl lithium, which acts as a base, the butyl carbanion formed from this butyl lithium abstracts more acidic hydrogen from oxazolene and forms a carbanion, and this carbanion reacts with alkyl halide and forms a new bond with R group. This compound on treatment with H plus ions and alcohol forms an ester, which on further hydrolysis this ester can be converted into carboxylic acid. What is the sequence of this reaction? The sequence is, in the first step, the 1,3-oxazolene is treated with butyl lithium and it forms a carbanion. This carbanion reacts with alkyl group from alkyl halide and forms the product. This product on further reaction with alcohol in presence of H plus ions forms an carboxylic ester. This carboxylic ester is readily hydrolyzed to form carboxylic acid.